Hello everyone, I'm Ganapathy from the Endpoint Device Management channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful features in Microsoft Intune device query for multiple devices. This feature is a game changer for IT administrators, offering real-time insights across an entire fleet of devices using Kusto Query Language, or KQL. Whether you're troubleshooting, managing devices, or ensuring security compliance, this tool is essential. Let's explore how it works. Device Query for multiple devices allows IT admins to query inventory data across multiple corporate-owned devices simultaneously. Using KQL, you can retrieve detailed information about hardware and software configurations, making it easier to address issues and make informed decisions. Here are some key features of Device Query: comprehensive insights, query inventory data across all devices in your organization. Real-time data retrieval. Use KQL to instantly access specific device attributes. Copilot integration. ***. Generate KQL queries using natural language. Requests with Copilot in Intune. Before using this feature, ensure you meet the following prerequisites. Licenses: you'll need the Intune Advanced Analytics add-on or Microsoft Intune Suite. Permissions: assign managed devices, query and organization-read permissions to users. Device requirements. Devices must be corporate-owned, enrolled in Endpoint Analytics, and actively collecting inventory data. This feature currently supports devices running Windows 10 and later. Non-Windows devices are not supported at this time. Performing a device query is simple. Here's how you do it. Access the Intune Admin Center login and navigate to the Devices pane. Then select Device Query. Compose your KQL query. Input your query in the provided box. For example, CPU, where architecture equals ARM64, execute the query, click Run to execute your query and view results in the Results tab. You can simplify the process further by using Copilot in Intune. With natural language requests like Show Me Devices with ARM architecture, Copilot generates KQL queries for you. And that's a wrap on Device Query for multiple devices in Microsoft Intune. This feature empowers IT admins with real-time insights to streamline operations and enhance security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you next time. Hello everyone,